Alright guys, welcome back. It's your boy Alex. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My man Peeps. Welcome back, Peeps. But yeah, today I got a video of my IAG short block for my Subaru. And some of you guys know on my Instagram, I've been posting about, if you guys want to know about more about my build series that I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna start building the process of my STI build. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm gonna do like a full series on it, so you guys see the progress of the build. So just in case you guys want to do it too, you know, you get something, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys the IMG short block, and also we did a little boxing video, but I'm gonna probably post that first. I might show the boxing first, and I'll show you guys the IMG block. I'm also gonna start installing my brand new IMG oil pan in the short block. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. So yeah. Get right into the peeps. So here it is, guys, right here. Yoop. So it comes with all the whole kit, the bolts and nuts, whatever. You're gonna need that shit there. Damn. Look at this, guys. This thing is sick. Comes with a baffle and everything right there. Quality, guys. If you guys have a Subaru or any kind of Subaru, to be honest, go with IG, guys. It makes the best car part, guys. Improve too, so you can handle more power. 250 power. Here's the hardware right here. But yeah, let's get right to installing it, guys. After you start the baffle, use the gasket. Make sure when you put it on, it's nice and flush. Make sure it's nice and flush. That's how it should look like, guys. If you guys are gonna run a sensor for your oil temperature, this is where you put it at, which I will get that for my gauges. For the meantime, I'm just gonna install it right now. So once I get my oil temperature sensor, I can just take this off and install it. So all the butts are done. So now we're gonna put the drain plug now. So don't forget your oil ring. Just put it on. If you guys get one of these, this will prove a lot and it will solve your problems from your oil. So I highly recommend you guys getting this. I will put the link in the description where I got it from, so you guys can also get it. Now for a cinematic video. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and on the next video I'm gonna talk about more of the build. So pretty much I'm gonna do a whole series, so this is part 1. So stay tuned for the build, guys. I can't wait, I'm excited for it. And yeah, it's been a long time that I actually want to build an 05 STI. The process, guys, the process. So just stay tuned for that, guys. And what's my goals, you know, horsepower wise, you know, stuff like that. Pretty much just be a whole series about it. You guys can't wait, guys. This build will be crazy. And also, you guys will see the heads on the block right now. I'm actually gonna go and get a machine. I'm gonna do a vlog on that and the process, how do you do it. Hopefully they'll let me record. But if they don't, then oh well, I'll just show you guys, you know, the finished product. But and yeah, peeps, that's pretty much it, the whole video. I guess you know how to install an IAG oil pan on your Subaru. It could be any Subaru. They're pretty much all the same thing, but it's the AG25. So I recommend you guys getting it though, for sure, like for real though. That will save you a lot of money, guys. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe. It's your boy Alex, and yeah, peace out, peeps. Hope you guys have a nice, beautiful day or night or whatever it is you guys are doing right now. In your bed, in your phone. And yeah, always stay healthy, guys. And more priority. Alright, peeps. Peace out.